Fraxel is a laser. It uses fractional technology to non-ablatively correct imperfections on the skin. So for instance, when people have brown marks on their skin, sunspots that they haven't been able to get rid of, it literally is like an eraser to get rid of them. And the beautiful thing about Fraxel Laser is that it's non-ablative, which means there's very little downtime involved after your treatment. The Fraxel Laser is beautiful for removing brown marks on the skin. For instance, a lot of people have sunspots, freckles, and a condition called melasma, which is very common in women. It's due to hormones and genetics. A lot of times it comes in pregnancy, and it's where women get these large brown patches, usually around their cheek areas, that are very difficult to remove, even with chemical peels and creams and everything else. And the Fraxel Laser can literally erase these marks. So the Fraxel Laser can be used not only on the face, but other parts of the body. For instance, on the hands, which can be a telltale sign of aging. Also, I've used it on areas of the body for stretch marks. So we all know that stretch marks is a very difficult condition for women to improve, even men who've gotten stretch marks from growing, as teenagers. So the Fraxel Laser is the first thing that I've seen that actually can really help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. So the latest technology, which is what we have in this office for the Fraxel, is called the Fraxel Dual Laser. And it's called dual because it has two wavelengths. One that works for the brown marks and sunspots and melasma, and the other that works for deeper wrinkles, acne scars, and other deeper indications on the face. So after one treatment, patients will start seeing results within a week to 2 weeks, depending upon what's being treated. Now for brown marks, you'll start to see results within a few days. For deeper wrinkles, in older patients, we'll often have to do 2 treatments or sometimes 3 treatments, depending upon the level of the wrinkles. But you will see results in those wrinkles even within 1 treatment. We can use the Fraxel Laser in more than one area at the same time. For instance, I have patients who have acne scars on their face, but also have stretch marks on their hips or on their stomach. So we will do those treatments in the same day. The latest improvement in Fraxel technology with this Fraxel Dual Laser that we have is that we can now treat patients of all skin types and all skin colors, which in the past was not true. So the great thing is that patients of darker skin tones can now come in and have their wrinkles treated, their acne scars treated without fear of side effects. Because the Fraxel Laser is a non-ablative laser, there's very minimal downtime involved with the procedures. In fact, I tell patients that they can go back to their normal activities the next day. Some patients will choose for their first Fraxel treatment to do their first procedure on a Thursday or Friday so that they have the weekend to recover. However, I've seen that most patients say that they actually didn't really need the weekend to recover, but just wanted to be on the safe side. Now, as far as side effects go, just like any technology, the Fraxel Laser can have some side effects, which are normal with the procedure. For instance, you'll have some mild redness in many patients for a couple days, but for most patients that only lasts about 24 hours if it happens. And when we're removing sunspots and brown marks, you will have some flaking, usually on the 3rd day, as those brown marks and sunspots are flaked off of your face. The Fraxel Laser is an advanced technology and should be only performed by board-certified dermatologists and plastic surgeons. So if you're interested in the Fraxel Laser, please call your board-certified dermatologist and make an appointment.